Good morning, y'all. Welcome back from Thanksgiving. I hope all y'all had a wonderful and safe and happy Thanksgiving. Um, I'm just going to get right into it for this week's assignments. But first, before I forget, we have 3 weeks left before winter break. Um, so in saying that, that means we have a final, um, our finals coming up in basically 2 weeks. So this week, next week, and then we have finals. And if you're a sales student, I may be seeing you next Friday, not this Friday, but or maybe it is this Friday. I can't remember. It's this Friday or next Friday. They're going to do an alpha split as far as who comes in and takes a final. Um, but if you're coming into my class, and also I'm going to review those finals with you starting next week, which I think it is next Friday and the following Friday, but I will in class be reviewing that final. It's overall the basic design elements and principles that we've been going on. I'm going to review it with you before you even take the final, so you'll have an idea of what it is. You should be just fine if you've been doing your assignments and doing your work. It's going to be very similar to kind of how I run class, so don't stress about that. But I just want to give you a heads up that we're up to that point in the semester. Um, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you can see our assignments. As always, I need you to do your attendance assignments every day that you do not see me in person. That is if you're a purple day or a corresponding gold day, you need to be doing those attendance assignments. Y'all been doing great. But it's something I'm still going to stress. Then for this week, as always, you have your exercise videos. They are a little bit more in depth this week. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to challenge you. One of them is going to be this how to draw this Naruto character, which you can choose him or you can choose this Venom character for your warm-up drawing exercise 1. Typically, it's just warm-ups, it's circles, it's triangles, it's all that, but I wanted to challenge y'all a little bit this week. So you're going to do one of these two, and then your second one is actually where you're going to draw these flowers right here. She walks you through step by step, which I think is very important. Flowers are very difficult, but they're very much shape oriented. So I'd love to see how y'all do on that. That's your second one. You turn those in under the Friday's assignments as always. They're always due at 11:59 on Friday. Then I also have this little video on down here on the mathematical art of M.C. Escher. Escher was a very famous artist. He did a lot with patterns, was very inspired by patterns, and you get to see his work is very it's kind of crazy and very methodical in the way that he goes about doing his work. But check that video out and then watch the video on your tessellations, this project. It's a fun little project. It's about pattern, it's about value, it's about I'm still using all these design elements and principles we've been talking about, but it's a good exercise. You'll need a pair of scissors and a sheet of paper as always. So start on that. It won't be due this Friday, but it'll be due the following Friday. So, but go ahead and get started on this week so you're not crammed for time. And that's about it, really. If I see you in class, then we'll probably be going over some of the design elements and design principles as we always do. It's going to be a good work day. It's kind of a short 6 weeks because it's only 5 weeks, and then we also have a couple days in there for finals. So getting our assignments in, we have to really bust it when we're in class because the same amount of assignments are required of us by the state. So but regardless of that, I hope you all had a really good Thanksgiving. I did. It's kind of bittersweet to be back. I'm glad to be back in class, but at the same time, it's like I loved my time off, probably like all of you. Last week, I don't know if any of y'all took my advice up and listened to any Sturgill Simpson, but no worries if you didn't. Like I said, I'm going to give you a new musical artist that I listen to every week. And this week, I'd love for you to listen to Nathaniel Rateliff and the Night Sweats. He's a really cool dude. I love his music, and you can kind of see by the artists I pick kind of the music I like. But anyway, that's it from me. If you have any questions, please email me. Please contact me. As always, I have conference times Tuesdays and Thursdays from 7:15 to 7:45 during my 6th period class, which is actually today, which would be Monday and Wednesday from 11:50 to 12:20. I have conference times. And as always on Friday from 7:15 to 8:15, and then again from 12:30 to 1:30. So feel free to stop by, ask any questions that you have, and that's about it. I hope y'all have a great week, and I will talk to you guys soon.